How to fix an unexpected error is keeping you from deleting the folder. So if you open up your file explorer and if you just go with deleting a file, and if it says that you won't be able to delete the file or if you're facing any kind of problems with the file, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the Windows icon and then you need to restart your device at first. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your file explorer, go with this PC, and then go with the drive in which you're facing the problem. For example, if it's local disk C, and you just need to simply go with the disk and then right click on it and go with properties. Now under properties, you need to go with the tools section, and then under error checking, you need to go with check and then scan the drive. And if there are any problems, then it will scan the drive and it will complete the errors. And after that, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.